Hello and welcome to the Windows 11 release notes for July 2022. I'm Gavin from the Windows Servicing and Delivery team. This month we introduce search highlights in Windows 11 and offer a tip to help you quickly set your status in Microsoft Teams so you can work without interruption. First, let's talk about this month's update. Here are a few of the changes that we've made based on your feedback. First, we've addressed an issue that might be preventing you from upgrading to Windows 11. Note that this is related to the timing of certain operations within the OS and is not related to device eligibility. For all the gamers out there, if you've noticed that video clips weren't playing in some of your games, we've addressed that issue for you. And we've addressed an issue that might have caused certain games to start working if they use certain audio technology to play sound effects. If you've been having difficulty reconnecting Bluetooth to some of your audio devices after you restart your devices, reconnecting to those devices now works as you'd expect. For Microsoft Surface Dial users, we've addressed an issue that causes your customization settings page to stop working. And finally, the Your Phone app has a new name. It's now called Phone Link, and you can still find it on the settings page. You can find out more about the other changes in this release by reading the highlights and improvement sections of the June 2022 preview and July 2022 security update release notes. Now on to search highlights and your tip. We are excited to introduce search highlights. Search highlights in Windows 11 present notable and interesting moments unique to that day, both globally and in your region. For example, you can quickly see holidays or anniversaries and learn about special or educational moments. To see search highlights, click or tap on the search icon on your taskbar. If you use a device managed by your company, search highlights will also feature the latest updates from your organization and suggest people, files, and more based on your recent activity. Search highlights will roll out to Windows 11 devices over the next several weeks. Broad availability will occur in the coming months. Need to quickly finish on something without the distraction of Teams notifications? We have just the tip for you. Go to the search box at the top of the Teams window, type /DND, press enter. This will set your status to Do Not Disturb. When you're finished, set your status back by going to the search box and typing /available. Want to find out other quick status options and actions? Go back to the search box and type only / and you'll see a list of possible selections. Are there Windows 11 features that you'd like to know more about? Send us your feedback using the options provided at the bottom of this article. That's it for this month. Thanks for watching.